the filming for the promo video was a mild success. We got all the crazy people out running today. This weather break really was nice, huh?
Oh yeah.
Lovely weather for a run.
I just worry more about the traffic.
I know, right? Well, the filming for the promo video was a mild success. Woody was able to get the drone airborne because the rain did stop for a while, so hopefully we got some good shots. I haven't checked it out yet. And then I was able to get a little bit of stuff inside the brewery today, the Saltbriar Brewery. So hopefully that'll all work. We'll just have to go back at some point with some runners and get some footage of people running. So, I don't know, need to pick another day to do that. I jumped in with the people or with the group and ran for a little bit. They did a little 5K, and you know, I was supposed to do a long run today, but I skipped that because my ankle was not feeling good this morning when I woke up, or last night when I went to bed. It just was not feeling good, so I didn't want to push it, you know, extend my recovery anymore. So skipped that, but decided to go ahead and do the 5K with them because it was raining, and who doesn't love a good rainy, sucky run? So it was good. My wife's laughing over there, so it was good. So we're just heading back to the house now. My wife's mom was watching the kids, so we got to get back so she can get home. So anyway, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Hope you guys have had a good weekend so far, and I will talk to you tomorrow.
Do hard things.